Alright guys, we're out here. It's no wind and beautiful, and we got the Parrot Swing. Alright, let's see how I can get it moving on full battery. Let's get it going first. There she goes. Alright, so let's try acro turn. I wish that thing had a camera on it. I tell you what, that would be sick right there. She's wound, she's wound. Will she make the loop before the tree? Okay, good. Look, watch. Yeah, watch. Ready? Look at that sky. Let me bring it down to us, guy. I'm gonna try to roll on the ground. Yeah. Can we get it lower? Yeah. Woo, baby. That's sick, because it actually does just pull off just like an airplane. Like if you start to get too low. Bush. Somebody got a little bit of swing skills. Told y'all I'm a swinger. Told y'all I'm a swinger. Yeah, boy. Hey, Neil, you didn't tell me this thing was this fun, man. I would have got one of these a long time ago. Yeah. Look, it was just doing barrel loops. Look, the same spot. Look, the same spot. Actually, further out and further up this time. You guys see this? Nothing. Won't respond. Ain't that cute? What would you do if your drone was 20 feet high? That's freaking like 30 feet high. What's that, probably like 50 feet? 35? A Parrot Swing falling from 35 feet. It's flying away. It's gone. Oh, here it comes. Come to me, baby. Hi. Oh, let it go. Is that not crazy or what? You guys see, it just flew away and started going bye-byes. Oh, God, I love them. But if this thing would fly away, I'd let it just keep going. I wouldn't give a shit. I wouldn't go home and pout about it. I'd laugh. I'd have a good video. Thank you guys for watching. The attack of the Parrot Swing. Oh, you little kids better run.